You ever have that bed on the side of the house that all of a sudden became unimportant and now it's overgrown and doesn't look very good? In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together a design for a Victorian style home that goes with the rest of the landscaping, and all of a sudden that can be a focal point. Booyah! Hey, I'm professional landscape designer and installer Bobby K. I'm a proud St. Louisan who's been in the landscape industry for well over 20 years. After installing just about every kind of landscape project you can think of, I now design for people all over the world. I believe that true fulfillment comes from giving back, so this channel is dedicated to you. I'm going to teach you all kinds of landscape design tips and tricks for any space, what to do and not to do, and I want you to come out of every single video with the confidence to be able to tackle any landscape project. This is How to Landscape with Bobby K. I am super pumped about today. I have an opportunity to be in Perryville, Missouri. This town has a ton of character. It's really neat. This house has a ton of character, but the bed on the side of the house does not. So as you can see, this bed's kind of a mess. They just moved in. What do you expect? Let's put up the client checklist. Here's how we're going to break down the video. We're going to go to a local seminary. Apparently it is absolutely beautiful. I'm really excited to go there. I've never seen it. We're going to lock on some different plants, trees, shrubs, bushes that I know are going to knock off some of those checkpoints from the client's list, make this beautiful, and show you guys how the thought process goes on up here that you can bring to your design. So hey, enough talk, let's get out of here. All right, that was a ton of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Now, let's give out a couple tips to sum up the design so that everything makes sense and you can take that forward with you. Tip number 1, KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. You don't have to go crazy with landscaping. Pick out a couple of very simple bushes that you can work around, and I guarantee that the design is going to flow a lot better than if you just start throwing native stuff everywhere. Tip number 2, break up the elements, bring in some texture, throw in some boulders. Who doesn't love boulders? They got great color variation, they're not just bushes everywhere, and it's a way to bring that natural landscape to your design. Final tip as always is have fun. If you're not having fun, you're not going to enjoy walking around, spending hours looking at different bushes and plants and things like that, getting yelled at by priests. That didn't happen. But the point is, if you don't have that positive kind of zen euphoria about you, you're not going to enjoy being out in 95-degree weather going around and looking at plants. So have fun, and I promise you the design will come to you. Guys, I really enjoyed this. If you haven't joined the Bobby K community, please subscribe. I really enjoy these videos. It's just a lot of fun for me, and I love teaching you. So if you got value out of it, throw some comments down there, and I'm going to see you on the next one.